Agbakwuruibe, His Majesty.
I want development. There's a deal in about. I need a we are grateful and we thank you so much.
His Royal Highness is Marika Jaka, CISIKA, as a clear of a clear Boduku Autonomous Community. There are no Yera as Agbakwuruibe. The member Wajinka for 2013 and Oba Ihonguna is a non Boduku Zurezu Muma with another member. I look at Fogaraga and I buckle up a mayor. Nihida Grigribu Gueze.
His Royal Highness Architect Judo Bidewu Eze Odenibo Nkabo of Ikuano Oboduku. Actually, Johera, where who na Obidimoto Awaji Afa Ndera. Now my first Awaji as Eze. So I'm happy now. Come Batara as Eze. Oboduku Juwe Sinage Meko on Nili Rage Meko as the Nili Noko Quere na Ewega Akosai, and that's Utua Audit or a very good exemplary show for Ndibai.
Today is 7th August, the Ewaji Oboduku clan at the Royal Palace of His Royal Highness Eze Sir Dim Agbakwuruibe Mbachu II, Obi of Oboduku Autonomous Community. It's a wonderful day that has been an annual ritual of Oboduku clan. It's a conglomeration of the new autonomous communities, Ekuliako Oboduku Autonomous Community, Umume Oboduku Autonomous Community, and Ikuano Oboduku Autonomous Community. This is our parent autonomous community. This is a show of unity in diversity. We have gathered to revere our ancestors, to ensure that the common link between the two autonomous communities and the parents exists. It is uncommon activity. You can see the crowd, you can see everybody. Their Royal Highnesses are all here. His Royal Highness Eze Siazika, Eze Kulia one of Ekuliako Autonomous Community is here with his people. His Royal Highness Eze Barrister is here in Obiako. The Igwe of Umume Oboduku Autonomous Community is here. And His Royal Highness Architect Chijioke Jude Obidewu is here with his people. The Obi of Ikuano Oboduku. That is example led for others to follow. Contemporary autonomous communities. It's an uncommon event and we have all gathered to show our unity in diversity. That is why we're here.
We have seen wonders. I'm so happy. The function is going very well. It's a very wonderful occasion. The Onitsha branch has done so well, very organized. The town has shown signs of growth. So happy with the information that is going on. Akachiro Mande recently shows that permeate our town. Of old in bracket. Thing fashionable in my own way for some time. From 1999 to 2006, I was managing. I changed the whole course of Erigi Oboduku to the present day to dinner, but the only difference is that all the blown up. And in 2006, when I was talking to Nabunea Oboduku about the hosting, we agreed Naga a carrier forward to the Burkutan unions of the different branches. That decision, he was very lucky. The next year I met President General and he carried it up. I like it. As far as we are concerned, I'm very happy with what is happening today, because it is the way I envisaged it. And I told you no gade. So we were at that stage, but I can't. Now you the kafo. I got across the T's, dot all the I's. I watch today. The music, except here and done Chabara. Every other thing the foreign. And I'm in a according local music and the rest of them. Kodi music of Oboduku. Now I'm at time may change and they change. So every have for this year the skeleton. It's okay, white alright, but we need to pick it up again and fashion it. My man. Make it look indigenous. That make indigenous how we bought for.
Honorable Allah Chukwemeka Ukwama Johnson, Obodo Kizu Oboduku, Onyukwu Igbo na South Africa. Today has been a wonderful day. I came all the way from South Africa to witness this August occasion. Normally it's a celebrated occasion in our land. And today's own is with a difference. It has improved over time and added tremendous color over time, and we do appreciate the effort of our people, our king, all the Ezes, all the chiefs, all the branches, all Igbo sons and daughters in making today very colorful. Most importantly, to Almighty God, who has given us a bright day and who has safely guided us to this occasion from far and wide in our trip to witness this occasion. We say thanks and God bless.
I'm Chief Malaki Mpeji, alias Agbakwuruibe. I'm Obashita, Wedado. I can let you get him Robashingata. Negalago Memel at the Burugu, Nemego Burugu too. So I had a Kalechine, Negalago, no one ever go video. Negalande, Gunegal, no, Bereba. na ndị ochie abụrụ lụta mgbe anyị ga-alakwa ga-eji n'udo wee lachigha back n'otu n'otu n'aha Jizọs.
I am Engineer Morebu Cletus. I am in charge of Igbo Affair and the national coordinator of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. So far, so good. In Oboduku, they have displayed what we wanted to do in Igbo land. The culture of Igbo land has been exhibited. And we are very proud of this town Oboduku. For all we have seen, we have hope that Igbo culture and tradition will not go into extinction.
I'm Bonyeka Obatu. I'm one for Oboduku from Umuara Oboduku, Umudimo. Ebi m Spain anyway. Abịa m sị ka m bịa nọnyere ụmụnne m na ụmụnna m dịka ịwaji nke obodo anyị bụ obodo ukwu, obodo eji eme ọnụ n'ụwa niile. Anyị nwa bụ ndị bi na diaspora dị very happy maka na anyị nwegasịrị ụmụ ozi ụmụ ihe anyị na-amagasịghị. Ọ na-abụsa anyị werezie ya anyị wegaziri ụmụnne anyị n'ụwa niile, ha mara maka culture obodo ukwu, mara maka Nigeria, mara maka ihe niile, ụzọ esi eme ihe niile na obodo anyị. Nwanne asị gị na gị jide onye asị jide ka oji na nke oji dị mma. Anyị ekele na gị nwanne mmadụ.
This is the 2013 edition of Iwaji Festival Oboduku Clan. Last year was hosted by Lagos branch, and everything here is going on well. The weather is very clement. Costume of the dancers, the celebrants, people that to be honoring or celebrating our veterans. Those that have fought for the unity of Oboduku, of the country, those have really contributed positively to the development of Oboduku in every facet. Today they are being celebrated, and I think it's something worth doing. This is the 5th one, I think, hosted by Onisha branch, and it's going to continue because it's the symbol of our culture, the Iwaji Festival. So that's what we are doing today in a nutshell.
Yes, I'm Agbakwuruibe Uche Valentine. It's my Abuja. Dukuta ka nyahama and otu aga ga adigide. Abuja malitere this hosting. Mana the development and the horizon oga go down. Go to that na ihe mmụta na ihe mbabanye na and ọ bụ ihe kwesịrị ekwesị. And today aham na Oboduku with autonomy or no autonomy. Oboduku has come to be one and one more stronger than unity. We are diverse in unity. I thank God, and I thank Onisha people for this wonderful hosting. It's very colorful.
My name is Chief Sir Emma Izuebu, Knight of St. John's International. We're here to celebrate our 2013 New Year Festival, Iwaji of Oboduku Clan. And you have seen yourself what is going on here. That symbolizes the unity of the town. That the town is one, irrespective of its diversity. So we're just praying that the peace and tranquility that exists in the town continue to be like that.
As a Christian, Uchechukwu, Nwachukwu, Ọchịagha n'Oboduku is in the Lagos State. Ihe bịa tata bụ in compliance of our festivities many years ago. We are here to celebrate the 2013 Yam Festival. And it happened that Lagos participated last year, and this year is now the turn of the branch. So we have come here to witness the occasion. It was beautiful, it was okay, and the function is going on, and we appreciate the address presented by His Royal Majesty. There is a Agbakwuruibe, the second of
Hey!
n'ọba ọkpọlọji ga-ebe nwa ya biko bịaba na-adị edebu n'ọba adịghị omebe adịghị adịghị ego nara ekele obi n'ọrụ mee njedebe ọya ijeje mba obi n'ọrụ mee njedebe ọya ijeje